guys, who's back? It's me, Scientist Prem. Today's experiment will be vinegar and baking soda reaction. It is plastic bottle, a balloon, a funnel, a spoon, food coloring, and it's optional, baking soda and vinegar. Let's begin. Using the funnel, put 2 spoons of baking soda in the funnel. 1. Pour 1/4 of vinegar in the bottle. I hope you will. Add in 2 drops of food coloring, and my one is peach. Fit the balloon over the opening, but be careful, don't pour it on the vinegar yet. It's gonna pop at me, it's gonna pop at me. It's gonna pop at me, it's gonna pop at me. Did you see the chemical reaction? The science behind the reaction is called carbon dioxide. Similarly, we exhale carbon dioxide when we blow balloons. Okay, bye. See you in my next experiment.